Hey y'all, this is Tabby Sue Stufflebeam coming at you. Voiced by identification card only, Nestor Bellflock Church Bench, Gainesville, Florida. Kind of a spiritual thing. However, I'm sitting here looking at these volcanic rocks here. I'll show you. It's like a nighttime view here, but you can still kind of see their colors. However, this one here kind of matches the spot on the Fayetteville Trail, the Lake of Fayetteville Trail, Fayetteville, Arkansas. Look at the colors of it, and look at the spots. See these right here? Those right there? These are like looks like those spots on that hill that they they're like trees, it looks like. It's by somebody's house. And it copies it to a total T. And you see that stuff right there? It's also on, what did I do with it? This right here. I got this from back behind the Salvation Army thrift store. I mean, not thrift store, but the Salvation Army offices. Boy, isn't it wild how the cult tries to get to your mouth. Make you say things that you don't want to say. However, it also matches this stuff here. See this stuff here? I got this back there too. See, when you pull it back, it's the same color. And it's on that rock. But I pull it over here, it's on this stick. With a little piece of the volcanic rock stuck to it right there. Right here. But that same thing is on this rock. See that? And that's where I got it, back there. And it's on the other side too. I keep getting more and more volcanic rocks from back there. I mean, look at it. Look at how it shows up on camera at nighttime. Isn't that wild? Watch the colors change as I turn it. Isn't that awesome? That is just so awesome. I find it fascinating. It's really fascinating to me. Oh, I can change my accent too. It doesn't matter. I can do the Arkansas language. I can do, the accent of the Arkansas and all that. But I can also do the British or the Irish and all of that. All of it, my accent change and all of that came to me when I swam in the volcano and walked in the shark's mouth with my soul and all that. I went through my burnings of the volcano atmosphere. But this one here, look at how it looks like. Well, it's kind of strange. But back here, look at that. See that right there? It looks smooth, does it not? It's so smooth. And that same kind of stuff that's there is on it too. See that? The same stuff. There's a volcanic haze here in Fayetteville, Arkansas, because it's all over the hills. You can look toward the hills and they look all smoky. Some of them you can't even see from a distance. There's really a volcanic haze here. But anyway, thank you, YouTube, for your support. Hey, Dutch Sense. Nice to see you. This is Tammy Sue Scufflebeam. Signing out. Y'all be good. All right? Love you.